Speaking English is very much important in different fields to communicate with people all across the world. It can broaden your ways, it can broaden your world. I'm Ankita. In this video, I'm going to share some basic tips that will upward your skills and you can be a better speaker in English. The first and the foremost thing you need to work on is to get rid of your fear, because that's the only one thing that can create an obstacle in your speaking. These are the 9 different tips that will definitely help you to improve your communication skills. Let's start from the beginning. So as you can see, the first tip is to relax your mind to get more ideas, because in a relaxed state it is much easier to put up more words and to get a perfect statement. So the next point is confidence. You really need to work on your confidence and self-esteem. If you need to get that feeling, you need to believe in yourself by practicing a lot through your skills. You need a daily practice routine to get that confident level hyped up. Build a confident mindset. Challenge yourself to do something that's just beyond your normal comfort zone. The next point is to knowing your audience, whom you're talking to. Let me give you a small example. If you're getting on a bus in a foreign country and your English is just a little bit high, beginner, low, intermediate, don't get your question perfectly. Means no need to tell the bus driver in framing a perfect sentence. Just get your idea across, that what you're trying to express to that bus driver. You're asking him for a direction. No need to put up any word to frame a perfect sentence like can I get the direction? No need to do all such kinds of fuss, because you're still a beginner, you don't know how to frame. So just know your audience, whom you're talking to. You want him to know that in which direction he can take you. So just get the idea across, the direction where, or maybe you can notify him that place where you want him to take you. So that's why knowing your audience is another important tip. Now comes vocabulary. So basically, what is vocabulary? Vocabulary is just a group of words. A good vocabulary can help you communicate better in everyday life, and you can express yourself in the best way possible. The better your vocab is, the more precise you can be about what you're saying or writing. The next, you need to stop assumptions. To assume means to accept something to be true without any proof. You need to stop your assumptions about people, that they are going to judge you about the fact that you know that your skills are very least. So stop your assumptions, make your own way. We have all heard the old saying that we learn from our mistakes, because it teaches you what you can be, it clarifies your priorities, it can free you up to your goals. So that's why mistakes are good than perfection. Now comes imperfection. Don't try to be perfect, because if you're perfect, you wouldn't be an English learner. You could have been an English speaker. You're growing yourself to a certain level. You're building yourself. Even I don't speak English perfectly, and nobody even does that. So perfection is not necessary. Just practice yourself. Just make your way. That's all you need to do. So the last but not the least is your effective practice. You need to practice, because when it comes to learning new skills, learners often get discouraged about their progress. But it's important to realize that learning something new, it's going to take a time, because it's a slow process, and that's okay. But it's most important thing, you need to stick with it and keep progressing towards your goal. So these are the 9 steps you need to follow to improve your skills. You need to practice a lot in improving that. On my next video, I'll share a daily routine which will make you more efficient. If you like the video, press the like button, comment down below with your feedbacks, press the bell icon to get notified, and do subscribe the channel before you leave.